In this video, I will show you the process to install your HP 63 ink in your HP OfficeJet 3830 printer or similar 3800 series printers. In this video, you will see the HP DeskJet 1112, but the process is the same. First thing you will want to do is retract your paper tray and then follow along. So you take your ink, find the little perforation there, and peel it open, pop the ink out. If your ink has this cover on it, you go ahead and peel that back like that, and it'll raise up and slide right off. After you do that, be sure not to touch the terminal, and then peel this back and do the same thing for that one. Put that back. As you can see, color on the left, black on the right. If you are replacing the ink, you will want to push down gently on the already installed ink that needs to be replaced and slide it towards you. So all you do, just slide the front end. There's a little ridge there. Slide it in. Then push it in place, just like that. Close it up. And wait a few seconds. There we go. Alright, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below. If there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Till next time.